Here is the Realme 2 review unboxing. This is the packaging that you get along with Flipkart. And its price and features and other details are mentioned here. And once I unbox it, at the top you can see this document that has the warranty card. And the back silicone cover. And this is the phone itself. This is the charger and this is the cable. If you're able to see, it's a 10-watt charger, 5 volt 2 ampere. And this has a neat packaging. This is the front itself. This is the back side. Once you remove the protection, you can see this is the notched display. Back side quite finger magnet finish, but that is really good. And the fingerprint. And this is the dual camera with flash. Very good finish and sleek finish this Realme 2 has. So I will just power it on. Gives me a tactile feedback. This is the standard boot up logo that comes up. On the left side you have the power up, the volume up and down button. On the right side you have the power button and the SIM tray as well. This is some fancy login video that goes on. You can see here the SIM ejector tool is there in the packet itself, and this is the standard boot up screen that you get. Display is quite vibrant. I don't find any issues out here. So this is the standard screen that comes up. You have few icons here in the home screen, and the other one has only 4, so I'm feeling good that there are not too many bloatwares out here. If I go to settings, go to about app, let me see here. So 21 GB is approximately available out of 32 GB, and patch level is 2018, and it has Android version 7, so that's quite good. Overall, the performance of the phone is very good. I will soon be doing some gaming out here and put a separate review. Thank you so much for watching.